Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open up the Trendsend November 2021 box. So I don't remember asking for anything. I may have asked for a sweater, but let's just dive in, shall we? I wonder what's in store for me today. The past few years have been a little weird. So we've got quite a few bundles down here. Here's bundle number 1. And this is a long black dress. It's got like these little bit of a bubble sleeve. Tiered. I think it's a midi dress. I don't think it's quite a maxi dress, but we shall see. Oh goodness. I feel like this is wool because it's already giving me a little bit of an itch, but it could be my imagination. No, it's polyester, but I don't know why it's itching. Maybe because I don't like it. Okay, what is this? It's a cute shape. I don't like the pattern. And I don't like these buttons. Do you see that? They're like little fabric buttons. Just kind of remind me of my grandmother. Not a good look. AGOLDE. Some jeans. They're jeans, but they don't feel like jeans. They're really soft. All right, and they're skinny jeans. I think I said I don't want any more skinny jeans because I just have too many and I literally put them all away because they're not in style. All right, this is interesting. Oh my god, this is I mean, it's from Free People. However, that doesn't mean it's like something I'm gonna automatically like or wear. Let's see what the fabric is. Nylon, cotton. It's only like, oh, it's 18% cotton and elastic. Yeah. Okay, next. This is cute. It's kind of like my color. The turtleneck seems a little tight though. I'd have to see how that feels. The brand is $5.25. I don't know. It does look like something else I have. It's acrylic. I would prefer cotton, but that is very hard to find these days. Everything is synthetic and everything that's 100% cotton is outrageously expensive at times. Like I've seen sweaters, like they were the same exact style. The cotton one was $100 more expensive. Different brands, of course, but it was still like, it's a lot. They need to make good things more affordable. This pile is getting high, huh? I don't know about this box. These colors are really drab. In the fall, you need a little bit of pizzazz, right? I do not like turtlenecks like this. They kind of remind me of like a 1960s dad playing baseball with his kids in the front lawn in November. But that's okay. I guess some people like that. And it's okay. I'm not really crazy about this box. As luck would have it, we have another pair of skinny jeans. I'm gonna try these on just to show you what they look like. I am feeling like this is not anything that I am really crazy about, and we will see. I'm gonna read this note. Happy Trendsend Day. For this box, I wanted to send some of our fall hit list items. These are great key pieces to add to your wardrobe for fall and winter. I combine them into outfits for you, but there are many more mix and match possibilities, and these should combine well with pieces you already have. Have fun trying on, and as always, if something doesn't fit you right, you can exchange the size when you check out. Be right back. This is really a bad box. Alright guys, this is the first item in the box. This is the Z Supply Bailey tiered dress. And I know what they're trying to do, but I don't think it's working. I think that, you know, the umpire waist and everything is fine. I just feel like here it just sits really weird. And whenever I move my arms, the dress stays up and doesn't come down. So it makes like this weird like fold right here. And I'm just overall not loving this. I will give you a turnabout. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing these shoes, this is how I dress. But the dress, I feel like it's very meh. So if I saw this in a store, it would probably be somewhere like Target and it would be $30, except it's Sea Supplies. So then it's probably more like $70. And the real price is, oh, it's $88, but it's on sale for $49.99. I still wouldn't buy it because I'm just not crazy about it. On to the next. Next outfit. These are the AGOLDE jeans. I think they're skinny jeans. What do I think of them? They're fine. If you still want to buy some skinny jeans, these have the frayed hem. I think I'm kind of done with skinny jeans for a while, unless I'm wearing like tall boots and I need to stick them in the tall boots. These are AGOLDE, so my presumption is that these jeans are probably like $150, and the real price is $168. Take it or leave it, they're fine. Like I said, I'm over the skinny jean thing. And then this top, this is the Sanctuary Meadow blouse. I'm just not feeling it. I feel kind of meh about it. It's okay. What would I pay for it? What would I pay for this? I mean, I feel like the fabric buttons kind of cheapens the item, so I would say it's 29 bucks. And the real price is 89 bucks. I don't think it's worth it. I mean, if you like this, great, but I don't think it's worth $89. If you were to buy something like this, wait for it to go on sale, because it's just, I don't feel like it's that kind of quality that it justifies the $89 mark. Be back with the next thing.
What?
What's the name? It looks ridiculous on me.
It's the Beauty Dakota Perry Puff cardigan.
I'm not getting this. I can't. What am I thinking? Hold on. I gotta get some tissue. I'm like crying from laughter. It's so funny. Alright. Now that I'm over my extreme laughing moment, this top is the Beauty Dakota Berry Bubbly, whatever it's called, shoulder puff, berry puff, Perry puff, like berry puff, sleeve. Yeah, I don't even understand this at all. What would I pay for it? $0. And the real price is $108. $108 to look like this. Yeah, no. Here's the next sweater. This is the Dryer Lint Free People sweater. This is the San Vicente pullover. I'm just not into it. I don't like this here. It looks on me. Other people, it looks good on. I just don't find this to be flattering for me. Not feeling it. It's Free People, and it's probably a ridiculous price, like $168. And the real price is $128, which is still, I think, ridiculous. I don't know. It's very warm, I have to say. This is making me extremely warm, but I just don't see myself wearing anything like this anytime, ever. Next. So these jeans are called the Edwin Brie Cheese Straight Jeans. How do I feel about them? I don't feel anything, because I don't need these jeans in my life. I don't think that they are made very well. Just because something is, I don't even know if it's expensive, but just because something is expensive doesn't mean it's made very well. Business 101. How do I feel? I don't feel like they're comfortable. They don't feel like 7 jeans, or you know how like all those like James jeans and Joe's jeans, and they're so comfortable. But these are just not, you know, I don't feel like they're, I don't know. I would say they're about $88, and the real price is $158. I don't think these are worth $158. I think that they sit very strangely on the bottom of my legs. So you see how they're like just sticking out really funny? If they were made well, they probably would have been a little bit longer and had a little bit more fabric coming out this way to balance it out. That's just my take. So the next thing is, this is the Cloth and Stone gauze square neck top. I think it's beautiful. I love the color. I would buy it if the sleeves were longer. I don't like where the sleeves are hitting. They feel kind of short for me. I wish they would come down to here. When I have my hands down, I have to like lift them up. The other thing is they're just gonna fall off my shoulders all the time. So that's something that is a concern of mine. Like, I don't want to be uncomfortable, but it is a pretty top. Like if you have shorter arms, or if you don't mind it hitting you right here, I would say go for it. I feel weirded out, and it's like a sensory thing. Like when my sleeves hit me here, they have to hit me here, or here, or here. What would I think the price on this is? I would say, knowing Cloth and Stone, it's probably like around $109, if you will. Do I think that's worth it? I'm not sure, but we'll see what the price is. It's $88. So yeah, I think that that's a fair price for the brand. And like I said, it's a nice top. It's pretty, it's flattering. I just don't like where the sleeves are hitting. That really bothers me. If the sleeves were longer, I would have totally said yes. I think I have 2 more sweaters. Next sweater up. All right, guys. This is called the evereve Moira turtleneck pullover. I am very uncomfortable. I feel like it should be cast as a villain in some kind of sneaky sci-fi extraordinaire. I feel very weird. If I could do this, I'd be fine. I mean, people like necks like this. I just don't. I think the bottom looks fine. I wish it was like a little bit different up here. How much do I think it costs? I'm not very familiar with the evereve brand, but I would say a sweater like this would probably be around $79, $80. And the real price is $98. What do I think? I don't think it's worth $98. I think you can find something like this at Target. I tell you that because the seam here is it's not seamless. This side the seam is straight, this side the seam is curved. So there's a flaw in manufacturing there. I don't think it's worth that. One more item. I'll be right back. This is the last outfit. This is the 525 wide sleeve turtleneck. This box is something. It's really something. I'm not really feeling any of these items, honestly. Like, I really don't. It's fine. I think this part's nice. I just don't like where these hit. I know maybe that's the style, but I just don't like it. Like, I want the sleeves to be down here. It is going to be cold. I want my hands to be warm. You know what I mean? How much would I pay for this? This 525 is not really cheap. I'd say it's about $90, and the real price is $98, so pretty close. I mean, it's fine. It's fine. The color's pretty. It's made all right. Like, it's like a good fabric. It feels sturdy. If you like sleeves to be shorter, then that's a good price. Otherwise, I don't know. I'm not feeling this box. I'll be right back with final thoughts. I would have to say that if this was my first Trendsend box, I probably would not do another one because I don't really feel like any of these were good. And I just feel like you cannot find anything of decent quality for a good price anymore. I feel like in order for me to buy something at a decent price, I have to make concessions in how I want everything to fit me. And I think that that's horrible. Maybe because, you know, it's the style that a lot of people like, but there's certain things that just don't look right on me. You can have the perfect body or not the perfect body. You will find something that's gonna look good on you, and you're gonna find stuff that doesn't. But I feel like this one was just nothing looked good on me. I feel like a lot of these things, like, I know what they're trying to do, but I don't think the quality is up to par with what I would expect from Trendsend based on past purchases. So I'm just gonna go through it, no particular order. What I did not like about this was the fabric buttons, and the pattern just was okay. Didn't feel right. The next one was this dress. I just felt like if it may have been a different fabric, or it may have been cut differently, it would have fit better. And this is going back. I don't know why. This one was fine. The sleeves are a little short for me. I would definitely recommend it to somebody who may have shorter arms than me, or who likes a shorter sleeve where it's just sitting right there. As far as the jeans are concerned, and I'll take both of these jeans right now, I feel like I'm done with skinny jeans, even though they said that these were straight leg. They didn't really feel like straight leg. And the second pair, the Edwin jeans, I don't think these were made right. I think that like you can just buy like, I don't know, you can just buy a pair of jeans from Target and get better quality, you know? Not that there's anything wrong with Target, but I feel like for price point, you could get something better quality than that. All right, this, I don't know what this is. I mean, I love Free People, but this is kind of ridiculous because it literally looks like it came out of the lint trap. No. I thought this was cute. I think that this was fine. It has that 60s kind of vibe with the sleeves, but I feel weird wearing a sweater that just stops right there. I feel like a sweater needs to be longer for me. I definitely think this is a pretty color, and I would have bought it if the sleeves didn't bother me so much, because I liked this one a lot, but I'm not loving it enough to justify me buying it. And last but not least, this director's edition of 1960s sweater. I just didn't like this part. It was choking me, and I feel like it made me look too stiff. Anywho, sorry Trendsend. I know you guys can do better. In any case, dear friends, what was your most favorite and least favorite item in the box? Leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes up. Bye!